So yo, what's up guys, today we're going to learn how to make wallpaper switcher like this. So first of all we need ROFI VLAN and AWWW. If we use normal ROFI then the blur and opacity like this won't get applied because we need VLAN compatible ROFI for it, and AWW for our wallpaper manager. After that we have to make a directory called scripts inside our .config/ROFI. If you have it, you don't need to do anything. Then we need to make a script file. You can name it whatever you want. I named it wallpaper.sh, and inside that you have to use this configuration. I made it using AI. I don't know how to code. I'll give the dot file in description, so you don't have to do anything. Just keep in mind, like if you have any other file type except this, then just add it here and you'll be good to go. After that, what we have to do, after that in our Hyprland config we have to set AWWW dibbon for auto start, and we have to keybind our wallpaper script. Let's see, where's that keybind? Here it is. I binded it for super W, and we just need to paste the path of our script. And once you make the script, just remember to make it executable using change mode +X and that script location, and just hit the enter, and your wallpaper changer is ready. Just let me know in the comment section what video should I make next. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. See ya.